In this video, I'm prepping the interior to get ready to cut the rear floor pans out, take the back seat bar out, the seat belts, battery, and the front tar board off the passenger side. It's getting it all ready for grinding and welding the rear floor pans in. Chilly today. So got those two out. Let's see if we can get this thing out. Just slides right out. This is the plate. This plate goes here. VIN number. Okay. So next, take the battery out. That one was already pretty loose. Oh, so is this one. Didn't even need the wrench. Or the socket, I mean. Out. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Oh. License plate underneath. It's funny. Someone put a license plate underneath it to hold it up. Or help, because the floor's so bad. See the big old hole? Yeah. And actually, as I'm stepping on this side, I feel like I'm about to blow through. So, pretty cool. Here we go. Clean it all up. I don't know what that's for, but so he tried to paint it a little bit. So I'm gonna have to cut these off, or try to cut that weld on both sides because it's welded to the floor. Side looks pretty nice, actually. Hold that off. Maybe. There it goes. And this side's still pretty decent. There we go. Boop. I'm just gonna throw that back there. Now I have more access to the floor. Probably gonna have to grind that off, maybe pop that off. That way I can get access to weld. That's gonna be another day. Just out here kind of clean it up, get it ready for it. Cutting the floors out. I'm gonna take the grinder to the weld here on both sides. Hopefully pull this off and then grind down this weld. And hopefully I can get this heater tube out. So I need to get back behind it to weld the new floor section in. Just got this Milwaukee. Give it a try. All right. Give it a start with probably take this off first, actually, huh? Because that's all connected. I'm gonna grind it. That's packed on there pretty good. There we go. Got that loose. So there's a tiny little screw inside here. I'm going to try to loosen that to get that wire off. I think it's pretty rusty in there, so we'll see how it goes here. I feel like it's... There you go. That one loosened up. There, got it. Cool. You see there's a tiny little screw in there. Now I'm going to try to get this out of my way here. Take the grinder and grind on that a bit. A little more here. I feel like that's disconnected. I'll scrape off this goo here. I don't know what the heck it is. Gum, maybe? It seems like gum, but it's not. I don't know if it's seam sealed right here. I feel like it's seam sealed right here, yeah. Got that side loose. I see a weld right here I didn't see earlier, so I'm gonna grind on that. Hopefully, then I could push it forward. That's the plan anyways here, let's see. So I removed the tack here. There was a tack here. Let's get this out. I don't know which way to go here. So I pushed it back and then pulled it up. There it is. So I got that out of the way. Now we can get into the floor area. So I'm gonna take this off and then do the other side. There. Got it. Okay. Fun. All right. This thing here. There it is. Okay. So we got that one. That one. Okay. take the seat belts out now. I got the 2 heater vents labeled, driver side, passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the seat belts out. Got seat belts out, heater tubes out. Floor is pretty bad. The previous owner pulled that tar board out. I'm gonna pull this tar board out on this side, see what it looks like. Got the other tar board out. I mean, there's a little rust, surface rust really, but like that's bare metal there. It's not too bad. The little channel holds the carpet in. It's rusty on both sides up there. They do sell this replacement piece of metal, which I already ordered in this tube here. So I'll be replacing that. And I'll clean up this floor, assess it. Finished up for the night. Next up will be cutting the floors out and welding in the new ones. That'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching.